Making tax difficult, MTD. Is it possible to avoid MTD? Let's check it out. Before we do, I want to make you understand why you might have to be in Making Tax Digital for HMRC. Now, if you have rental income and self-employment income, adding those two together, and they were £50,000 as of the tax year 24-25, then you will need to go through the MTD come 6th of April 2026. The problem is with that is that you'll need software to do this, and if you've got rental income plus software self-employment income, you will need two different licenses for that, which can be expensive. In addition, if you have got self-employment plus rental, you'll have to do 9 returns, not 5 returns, which you would ordinarily do if you have just self-employment or you have rental income. If you've got both, it could be 9 returns, which is a lot more time and effort. We have got a webinar coming in, the 12th of November 2025. You can register for free using that QR code on your screen, so feel free to do that. But MTD, how can you avoid it? There are several ways in which you can avoid making tax digital. First of all, your turnover of your rental income, self-employment income, could drop below the threshold. Well, if that's the case, you're not part of the criteria anymore, and you could legitimately ask HMRC to drop you out of MTD. Disability, illness, or medical condition. If you feel that that affects yourself, your condition affects your ability to go for MTD, then again an exemption may be applied. Religious grounds for not using electronic communication. If you have a religion that says you can't use electronic software or you can't use any devices of that type, then again there will be an exemption. Moved activity to a limited company. If you have incorporated your property business or you moved your self-employment business to a limited company, well, MTD does not affect limited companies, and therefore you could ask HMRC to be removed from the MTD on your self-assessment. Remoteness, no internet connection. If you're unable to get onto the internet and then submit your quarterly returns, you have a genuine reason why you can't do MTD. Again, contact HMRC for any of these reasons and say you should not do MTD. Okay, hopefully this video has been useful. There's a QR code to book some time to discuss our services, discovery call, but don't also forget the MTD, which is the webinar from us to you to help you out with this on the 12th of November 2025. There's the QR code, but the links will also be shown in the boxes below.